back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina, Isabelle, and welcome to my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell right beside the subscription so you guys are updated and notified at the same time when I upload a new video. Okay, so today is like basically day 6 of my 7 days of glam, and it is a review and it is on this bad boy right here, and this is the Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree Breakaway Makeup Palette and a Mascara. So this is actually Too Faced Holiday Collection this year that they actually came out. I really love the way how they actually did the packaging. You guys know that Too Faced products always come in pink packaging. Okay, so before I open this, I just want to let you guys know what is in this palette. So right off the bat, you have bronzer, highlighter and blush palette, and you have 2 different eyeshadow palettes. One more on a neutral side, and one palette has like a pop of color. And then they also give you like a travel size mascara. They're Too Faced Better Than Sex travel size mascara. So why I say I like the packaging is because when you actually open it up, the packaging is magnetic, so you have to flip it up open. So you have like that. Ooh, I can see you guys there. So you have like the very beautiful setup that you have like cute squirrels with the Christmas decorations, and they made it look like a Christmas tree inside. So then they have like the deluxe version of the mascara right here. They actually packaged their packaging in all velvet, so it's really nice to touch. It's very smooth. Another thing, when I actually took out all 3 palettes, I actually didn't notice it. Look at this. So this is like the bottom part, and you have like 3 layers. So first layer, you go and you snap it. It snaps, and then it snaps. Even though it looks like a Christmas tree inside the box, you can stack it up and make it look like a Christmas tree, guys. It's really cute. Really, like this handle is right for you to actually put it on your tabletop right about here, and then make the Christmas actually stand. Look at it. So it's like one side is actually open. So that's how you can actually stack it up and make it stand. How cute is this? Okay, so starting off, I'm picking up the first shade called Wishes and Kisses and just applying that to my crease area. As you can see, I'm keeping it really low. I'm not actually really blending it up towards my brow bone. I'm keeping it really low. And then the next shade I'm going to go pick up is called Christmas Morning, and I'm going to use this shade to actually scratch the harsh edges of the purple so it does blend out, and at the same time it doesn't lose its pigmentation. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna go ahead and pick up is called Unicorn Pull My Slash, and I apply that all over the crease area. As you can see, I don't conceal, so that when I'm applying that without a wet brush, it goes down really sheer. It does make your eyes look a little bit glossy, but I really want it to pop. So I went to go ahead and spritz my brush with any setting spray you can. I just applied that, and then immediately it went on metallic. After that, I went on and applied a little bit of Oh What Fun in just at the center of my eyeballs. Like you know when you close your eyes, there's your eyeballs there. I just applied that on top of that, just like a straight line, just blend it out a little bit. And I applied that same shade Oh What Fun into my inner corner of my eyes just to give it a little bit of pop. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go pick up the shade called Christmas Morning, blend it out my lower lash line, and then I'll mix it up with the shade called Pleasant Dreams, and this is like a brownish purple. On my skin tone, when I actually blend it out, it looks more of like more purplish, like maroonish purple. Blend it out to actually match my upper lid, and basically guys, we are done with the eye look. So once that is done, I will go ahead and do my eyeliner. My eyeliner, I'm picking up the Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner in the shade Power Black and doing my eyeliner as per usual. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes, and I'm using my favorite lashes because I want something really light. Going in with the Ardell Demi Wispes in black and applying that to my lashes, of course. Of course, I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which was in the set, and apply that to my upper and my lower lash line. I'm gonna go and pick up that shade called Winter Glow, which is their bronzer shade, and apply that to my cheekbones, forehead, nose and jawline. At first, I didn't expect the shade to turn out on my skin tone, but more of a bronzer than a contour, guys. For blush, I'll be going in with the shade called Christmas Flush, and this is actually like a peachy shimmer blush. So when you actually apply it on your face, it does give you the flush of the peachy shade. but at the same time when you turn your head, it gives you a little bit of like the highlighter look. So you guys know that I love highlighters, so I'll go ahead and apply the shade called Angel Kisses, and this is actually like a gold highlighter, so I apply it to my cheekbones, wherever I want to dazzle my face, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And then for lips today, I went in with the Kiss Me subscription in the shade called Apple Cider. This is like literally the completed look of this entire bad boy right here. Overall, my entire review, I really love this collection. It's because for the price point, for $57 SGD, the way they actually customize the palette is really worth the buy. They put in so much effort to actually create and make the palettes magnetic to actually stack it up. So what I feel is this time around, the Too Faced Holiday collection is more onto the neutral side, and maybe a little bit of pop of color here and there, but it's more to the neutral side. I'm done, guys, with this review. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Whether you like this video, have you guys actually purchased this palette, what you guys think about the palette, and just let me know in the comments down below. So if you guys want to follow me in my social medias, you can go and follow me in Twitter or in Instagram. I prefer you guys to actually follow me in Instagram because I do like short makeup videos, skincare videos, basically my whole life is in Instagram. Go ahead and follow me there. Plus I do a lot of stories and TikTok and weird shit in Instagram, guys. So go ahead and follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be the last day of the 7 days of Glam. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.